What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be washing the bike. Today is really dirty. I haven't cleaned it in maybe a month. I've been riding like crazy. Plus I've been on vacation a lot, so it's been sitting up, and I ain't been having time to do cleaning. So I took it for the first longest ride, and I enjoyed it. But my only complaint was that when I was riding, like, and it wasn't nothing to do with the bike, but I rode for like an hour, and like my neck was starting to like hurt because I was driving for so long, and it was interesting. But anyway, I gotta pull the car out, and I'm gonna get the bike out, and I'm gonna pressure wash it for the first time. They said it's sensitive, so we'll see what happens. Uh, Let me pull the car out. I'm gonna pressure wash that too. I got As you can see, it's really dirty. It's a 72-degree day, so I'll show y'all the soap I plan on using. I don't know, if y'all got any soaps that y'all recommend using, let me know in the comments. I would truly appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. It's the power wash I'm using. So I gotta find the soap. So today I'm gonna be using the ceramic premium wash by Milwaukee Muscle. That's gonna be the soap that I'm using, and for the pre-soap, I'm gonna be using this. This is also by Milwaukee Muscle as well. Um, Met these guys at a car show. Well, it was actually one guy, and I'm trying out this product. I put it on the car. I don't know if I put it on the bike last time, but I'm gonna try it out, and we gonna see how clean it get. So I'll be back. So I ran out of space on my old memory card. It's a 128 gig, but it's all good. I did the pre-soak, and I'm gonna show y'all this before I did the put the actual soap on it and wash it up. But all the buds and stuff is pretty much gone. Like everything that was up here is gone. So now I'm finna wash it with that, and then we gonna get it going. So I pre-soaked twice, only because I wanted to see what it get. This off right here, this off right there, which it did. Only thing it didn't remove is this orange stain on my bike, and I don't know what that is, and it's starting to drive me nuts. But other than that, it got everything clean. So now I'm finna get the bucket, and I don't know what the name of that towel is. That's for the car, but I'm finna use that, and I'm finna clean it up some more. Yeah, who else to talk to? So they're trying to piss you off. Hmm? I ain't gonna try to teach. They finna try to make you teach everybody. Yeah, they finna try to make you teach everybody. Oh, you gotta go today? Oh. Did Craig know you pregnant? Huh? Do what? Yeah. 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 I'm washing my bike. and it's nice and clean. I didn't get that off, but everything else is clean. So I'm happy. Now it's time to clean the car. I don't think I'm gonna do the chain today. I might put the WD-40 on the wheels so they shine even more. That's a little trick that I learned from another YouTuber. I don't remember your name. If I did, I would shout you out. But yeah, nice and clean.